What's up, guys? So my friend Juan is leaving for the summer, so we're coming over to his house today, and we're gonna make some food and just kind of hang out. Like one last time before he gets back in the fall. We're gonna be making some food, some delicious food. So I'm pretty excited about that. Juan is gonna be making some mangu, which is like fried cheese and like salami with plantains that you take and you kind of mash them up. And serve them all together. It's like a Dominican dish, and so I'm pretty excited about that. I think I've only tried it once before, and he made it, and that was like years ago. So I'm super stoked to try it again. And I'm gonna make my usual here, my spicy sweet mango salsa. We're gonna make some rice with some beans, some Chipotle honey chicken that's marinating. So I marinated that earlier this morning before we got here. So we just kind of took the chicken. I washed it very well. In a separate bowl, I just kind of took like salt, pepper, a few other seasonings like onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne, a dash of honey. And the most important part is the GOYA Chipotle pepper sauce, because in adobo sauce. So what I do is I just kind of put all the peppers and everything in together, and then I mix it up with a little bit of olive oil. And then that kind of makes the marinade, so then you want to mix that up and then you pour it over the chicken. If you can, typically you want to marinate it like overnight. It's definitely a lot better because it allows the chicken to actually absorb all that flavor. So yeah, we're just gonna cook. We're gonna hang out. Our friend Anthony's coming over a little bit later for lunch just to pick up some of the mangu. Probably kick it for a little bit, and then yeah. So we're gonna show you guys how to make this food today. So stick around. Thanks.
Hola, papis. So we made some mangu. It's just mashed up plátanos, a lot of butter on it. And we got salami, queso frito. It's a different type of cheese. It's a little bit more sodium, so when you fry it, it doesn't melt like mozzarella would. It holds together. It's a nice piece of fried cheese. You don't really got to bread it or anything. You just toss it in, and it does its thing. You can do however you want. You really fry it to whatever is good for you. It's already cooked sausage. Actually, I think this is pork and turkey. Anthony's got some dietary issues. Cheese cooks a little faster. Obviously, it's cheese. It's not going to be the same consistency as everything, so you got to watch it a little bit more. But there's no issue to fry it in the same pan with the salami. It probably gives you a little bit more flavor. And there's a real sweet spot when you're cooking it. You don't want to let it go too much because it can melt. It just takes a lot longer than mozzarella would. Be careful, because yes, this grease will pop. Shit.
I'm saving these.
We'll get
I want a trifecta piece with cheese.
Cut you one of those. The plátanos will dry out. They're not like a next day type of food.
It does taste like Spam, but better. Oh yeah, and I forgot that Juan was making tostones too, so he's about to fry those up right now. And we're going to show you what that looks like too.
Take a picture?
No, it's a video.
Okay. Well,
Tostones.
And at the brewery, they got food?
Yeah, they got mad food trucks. They threw out like three food. So, bags for how long? I got it.
That one looks right.
That one was pretty.
Gotta use the good and the bad.
Also, there's a Dominican tool for this that I do not have. A little bit. Ain't pretty yet. Here we go.
It was like.
What are some specials that come to mind for you as far as things that will really help out teams?
I feel hot though.
Using that aggression.
I thought we'd be good friends.
She was joking. We were just talking. So she asked where we were, and I said where I was.
Oh, he's hit. Good. Wow, look at that. Look at that color. Oh my god, it smells amazing in here. Chipotle honey chicken. So we got mad food cooking. We got, we got the beans, we got the plátanos, we got the tostones, we got the rice, we got the salsa. So we're about to feast for real. Yeah, so thanks a lot for sticking around and watching this video with us today. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. And if you want to be notified every time that I hit a video, just hit that notification bell icon and you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. So yeah, thank you guys a lot for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.